Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you. I've been using what might be the best foldable smartphone of the year, and let me tell you, it's blowing the competition out of the water. We're talking about the Honor Magic V3. Honor Magic V3, I spent 2 weeks with this device, and honestly, it puts the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 to shame. I'm talking about weight, thickness, and even the crease. It feels as light as an iPhone 15 Pro Max or a Pixel 9 Pro XL, but with a 16% bigger battery than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. That means it not only lasts longer, but also beat the iPhone 15 Pro Max in battery drain tests. Pretty impressive, right? Let's talk unboxing. Honor isn't skimping on the essentials. Inside the box, you get a 66-watt fast charger, a USB-C cable, a protective case, and even a SIM ejector tool. It's refreshing to see these inclusions, especially in 2024. Give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate getting the full package with your phone. Honor Magic Fi. The Magic Fi 3 blew me away with how thin and light it feels. It's just 9.2 millimeters thick compared to the 12.1 millimeters of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and weighs only 226 grams. That's almost the same as the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Despite its slim profile, it packs a 5,150 mAh battery, which offers what I'd say is the best battery life I've experienced on a foldable phone. Honor Magic V3 Outer Display. Let's talk about the display. The outer screen is a 6.4-inch beauty with a staggering 5,000 nits of brightness. It's a game-changer for using third-party apps and social media, and the typing experience on this wide screen is just fantastic. It's hard to go back to a narrow display after using this. Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. What do you think? Is the Honor Magic V3 the best foldable smartphone of 2024? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. See you in the next video.